What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Isabel and I would love it if you would subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating 5 Pinterest outfits for fall. I am so excited for this video. I've prepped all of my outfits. They are all over my couch, if only you could see. I know that typically I film in my bedroom, but I'm actually filming this like so early, you guys. It's not even 9. So yeah, I'm filming here because this is the only place in my apartment that has good lighting. Anyways, I am super excited for this video and I don't want to wait 1 second more. I'm also on a very tight schedule and you guys will see in my next video why that is. So without further ado, let's get right into the outfits. Okay, I know this is like a weird angle, I guess. I never film in this angle, but I need to be able to show you guys like the whole outfit. You guys need to be able to see everything. So let's start with this first outfit right here. Yeah, let's get right into it. I'll grab my pieces and we'll assemble the outfit together. Okay, so in this outfit, the girl is wearing some mom jeans, which I have. Like, I feel like these are exactly the same pair that she has. And then she's wearing a white turtleneck, like a tight white turtleneck. I don't have a tight white turtleneck. I only have like an oversized sweater turtleneck and I'm using it for another outfit. So we're gonna use what we have in our closet. This is the point of recreating these outfits. Now I have 2 options. I'm gonna go with the bodysuit because I feel like this, well, I feel like this works, but it's also my only option. Obviously she must be wearing a long sleeve, so I have 2 options. I've got like my white bodysuit, but it's like t-shirt, and then I've got this one that's not quite white, but it's long sleeve, and I'm not sure. I feel like the white would be better because I'm also gonna have like a jacket over top that's gonna be off-white, so if I have too many different off-white, it's gonna look weird. And then she's also wearing white sneakers, so like this will tie in the white sneakers, so I think I'm gonna go with this. So let me throw this on and then we'll get into the second part of this outfit. Okay, so we've got the white bodysuit, the denim. I also put on some socks because I'm not going to put shoes without socks on. She also has these really big gold hoops that I was able to notice. I'm not going to be changing out the jewelry in every single one of these, but this one specifically, I noticed the gold hoops, so I'm going to throw on these big gold hoops that I have. She also has her hair like in a half up clip kind of style, so we're going to do that. And I'm going to throw my sneakers on. So these right here are my gold hoops. They're from Ana Luisa, and then this is my little clip that I'm gonna put in my hair. These are like my everyday. I feel like I love getting, I'm gonna put it this way, cheaper jewelry, but these are my go-to. I wear these every single day. They are real gold and I can wear them in the shower. I never have to take them off, which I really love. But I wouldn't be willing to invest in real gold for all the jewelry that I have because I have so much. So like Ana Luisa jewelry is just perfect because they are sustainable and really good. I also have Missouri jewelry that's really good as well. So I feel like everyone needs that one pair of like everyday gold jewelry, like earrings, chain. Like my chain right here is real gold. I wear it every single day. And then have a few not necessarily real gold because I mean, some people can afford it. If I could, I would, but I can't, so we go with what we can afford, right? Okay, so these are the gold hoops, and we're gonna do a little, like a half up. I'm gonna have to look myself in the mirror to fix my hair, so let's do that. Okay, she has like, it's very loose, and she has strands like this. I feel like this is the look. And then let me grab my other things. So then I've got my white sneakers and then this jacket. It's not a Sherpa jacket like she's wearing, but I don't have a white or like off-white Sherpa jacket, so we're gonna go with what we have, which is, again, the point of this video. So let's throw these on. Okay, so here we go with the white sneakers. I really like this outfit. I do think that her turtleneck really ties in the whole fall look, but I don't have a white turtleneck. I'm looking for one, I'm just not finding one that I like. So we have to go with what we have in our closet, and this is as close as I could get to this outfit. I think it's really cute. It's super casual. I feel like this is an everyday look, and it's not like super trendy. This is more of a timeless kind of look that comes back every single year. So that's why I like this outfit, because it wasn't super trendy, whereas some of the other outfits that I'll show you, I feel like they're a little bit more trendy, but they're also all my style, which was the point of this video. So if you don't like these outfits, like, that's completely fine. I like them. Now let's do a side comparison. this is the picture. This is me in the outfit with the white sneakers. Yeah, I think I like this outfit. It's really, really cute. On to the next outfit. Okay, this next outfit right here I thought was so cool and edgy, and I never thought I could pull this look off with my blonde hair, but now that I'm brunette, I feel like it's gonna look so good. I don't remember, like, I don't have the picture in front of me right now. I don't know if like the girl is brunette or blonde, but she's most certainly not as blonde as I was before. Or as light as I was before. So anyways, I thought this outfit was really cool, so we're gonna be recreating it. First step is black leggings and a black top. I'm doing this black turtleneck. This is like my favorite black turtleneck, like tight turtleneck that I have. It is so cute and I love it. I got it from Garage years ago, and I wish I had it in a white as well, because if I had this one in a white, I could have put it on with like this outfit and it would have been so cute, and I would still have it. Like, these are the types of pieces that I love, the ones that you've bought years ago and you still have, because they are basic pieces that will never go out of style. Anyways, let's get this outfit on. Okay, first part of the outfit is on. Now, she's wearing like black booties, and I have black booties, but the only pair of black booties that I have are like heels. So we're gonna have to go with what we have. I wish I had like just a simple pair of black booties, like flat, no heels, but I just have not been able to find the one for me, like the one that I love. Also, I did verify the picture, and yes, she does have like blonde in her hair, but she's definitely not as blonde as I am, and she does have like some light brown or dark brown in her hair. Like, she has brown as well as the blonde. I have these black booties. I've had them for years and I love them. Like I said, I wish I had like just flat ones, because if I want to like go walk outside, not that I would walk in black booties, but like if I want to go do something, I don't necessarily want to be wearing heels all the time. I feel like that's very formal for me, at least. But anyways, these are my black booties, and then this is what I'm going to put on top. I do have like a long wool coat that's similar to the one that she's wearing, but it's completely like white, or like an off-white color, whereas this matches the color that she's wearing so much more, so I thought I would do this instead. So let's throw these on. Okay, my cat's right there, don't mind her tail. But yeah, this is really, really cute. I love this. Also, I'm taller with the heels, obviously, so I had to like back up. I'm like almost against the wall. But yeah, I really like this. Now let's throw on a black beanie. I don't personally have one, but Alex has one. It does say like Adidas at the front, but we're gonna like fix it for it not to say Adidas, so that we can get the full look, and I don't want any white in this outfit. Okay, here's the outfit with the black beanie. I don't wear black beanies, so this is like so weird for me, but I do think that the overall look is really, really cute. It does throw me off that I'm wearing like the heels with like a beanie. I feel like that's so weird. If I were wearing like just boots, like flat boots, that would just look better to me. But overall, this look is so cute with the heels, the black boots. This is the picture, this is my outfit, and I think this is pretty close. Like, it's pretty good. Like, I'm happy with this outfit. Like, honestly, I like it. Need to get used to the black beanie. I think I would do black beanie with like a little pom-pom on the top. I feel like this would be more the vibe with this kind of outfit, which H&M has one, so maybe I'll get that. Okay, I noticed that she's wearing glasses, and I feel like this completes the look and it makes it look so much better. So let's bring the picture back with the glasses. Yes, so much better. And she has like a wave in her hair, so if my hair wasn't straight right now and it had like that wave, chef's kiss, it would be perfect. On to the next outfit. Okay, so for the next outfit, I'm noticing kind of like a pattern. I picked so many outfits with black bottoms. I feel like all the rest of these are gonna be with black bottoms, like leggings. I don't even have like skirts in this, so it's just gonna be like black leggings or like leather leggings. So I wanted to be more creative, but I feel like each outfit is so different, but at the same time I'm noticing that the rest of them are all with black leggings, so I apologize for that. I didn't look more into it. But let's get into this next one. It's very interesting, and I'm very excited to see how it turns out once it's completely on. So this is the picture. She has a puffer vest and a, is it called like a mock turtleneck? I feel like this is a mock turtleneck. Is that how they're called? Like, I don't know. Like, it's not a full-on turtleneck shirt or sweater, but she has that on with white sneakers, so that's what we're gonna do. Let me grab the pieces that I have. Okay, so I have two different types of like turtlenecks or mock turtlenecks that I could do with this. I have this one, which is a lot chunkier and thicker that I was wearing in the beginning of this video for the intro. And then I have this one right here that's a little bit thinner. I don't know between the two because I really like both of them. I feel like this one, the color is more similar to the picture, but this one, like the thickness is more similar. I don't know. I feel like this one might be a little bit more formal than this one. Okay, let me see which one I want to put on with this outfit and then I'll let you guys know. I honestly don't know. I think I'm gonna go with this one because realistically, if I were to wear this out, I feel like I would wear this one because it's chunkier and I feel like it's maybe warmer than the other one. So we're doing this. She's wearing like high top sneakers. I don't have high top sneakers, so we're doing like just long white socks with the white sneakers and the puffer vest. So let me throw those on and let's see the final look. Okay, I really like this outfit. I would have never thought to throw like these items on together with the white sneakers, but I'm loving this outfit. It is so cute and it's 100% me. I could 100% see myself wearing this outfit out and I'm so happy about it. Like, I love this outfit. Let's do a comparison. This is a picture. This is me in the outfit with the white sneakers and white socks because I don't have high tops. What do you think? Also, I want you guys to let me know down below which outfit you preferred in all of these 5 outfits. I know we're only on the 3rd outfit, but let me know at the end of this video which outfit you preferred. Like, yes, I love this outfit so much. It's me, 100%, 100% me, and I'm very happy about it. It is so cute, and even when you take like the puffer vest off, so cute to just like be around your apartment or wherever you may be, and then you just throw this on when you're going back out because it's not winter yet, so it's not that cold outside, and there you go. Love this outfit so much. Okay, so I'm realizing how similar this next outfit is, but it is going to be like a completely different vibe. So here's the picture. I've had this picture saved for so long on my Pinterest. I think this outfit is so cute and I've always had the clothing items to recreate this outfit. So let's throw this outfit on. I'm so excited to see the final product on me. So in the picture, the girl is wearing like this oversized sweater vest-ish. I don't know like how to describe it, but it's clearly not new. It's more of like an old or maybe thrifted item. And I have this one that I got from Aerie years ago. I don't even know how long ago that was. Maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. It's been a while and it's kind of like worn in and everything, so I think it'll be perfect, and it's super oversized, and I am going to be pairing it with the black white sneakers and white socks. So let's throw this on. I already threw on the baseball cap because she is wearing one with this oversized sweater. I love this outfit so much. If I thought the other one was me in an outfit, this one is even more me in an outfit. And if it's chilly, I can throw on the puffer vest over this one as well. Now I realize, like I said, they are very similar, but at the same time, the vibes are completely different. So I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. So anyways, let's do a comparison. This is the picture. This is the outfit that I'm wearing with the white sneakers and socks, which she's wearing like an old pair of like, I feel like it's an old pair of dad shoes or like New Balances, which is so cute. I just don't have that. So I'm wearing my white Air Force Ones with this oversized sweater and my little baseball cap. I'm vibing with this outfit. I think it's so cute and 100% me again in an outfit, like a loungy outfit. Like, I like to dress up, but I also love to just be in a lounge outfit like this whenever I'm doing anything. Anyways, love it a lot. Okay, so for the next and final outfit, this is it. I think it's so cute. I don't have the exact pieces. Like, she's wearing a very dark coat. I don't have a dark coat, but I do have a wool coat. So we're gonna try to recreate this outfit to the best of our abilities. So let's get right into it. So first thing that I noticed is the leather leggings, which I have a pair because they were trending like I don't know how long ago, but I feel like these are still super cute, just like less trendy, but very, very cute still. And then a white or off-white turtleneck. So let's throw these on. Turtleneck and leather leggings are on. Next is the wool coat. as well as the Uggs. So let me show you what I have. So obviously I have Uggs. I love them and I've worn them last year and I'm wearing them this year. I am absolutely obsessed. And this is my wool coat. Like I said, it's not dark like in her outfit. However, I feel like this one represents me so much more than the one that she's wearing. So like this is a perfect example of like you want to recreate an outfit but you don't have everything that she's wearing, so you have to like make it your own. Like sometimes the outfits are cute but they're not necessarily your style, and I'm like adapting it to be my style. So I don't know if that made sense, but anyways, I'm gonna throw these on and we'll do a final outfit reveal for this last outfit. Okay, final outfit. I love this. It is so cute, so my style. And if you guys didn't know, I'm actually going to New York in December, and I feel like this is going to be an outfit that I would wear. Maybe not the leather leggings to walk around in New York, because I feel like I'm always pulling them up, so I think that's not ideal if I'm going to be walking around in New York. So probably just like regular leggings or a pair of jeans, but definitely like this outfit is so cute and I'll definitely be wearing it. I feel like this coat is just like New York vibes, you know, so definitely will be wearing this outfit again. I will say this is a very warm outfit. It is not cold enough outside for me to wear this type of outfit right now, but it will eventually, probably like end of October, beginning of November. So I know that I will be wearing similar outfits to this during like fall and even winter, like end of fall and winter. So let's do the last comparison. This is the picture. Obviously not the same colors, but this is my outfit with the Uggs. So cute. I'm obsessed. It is the most adorable little outfit. Like this is so out of my comfort zone, but I love it so much. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually had so much fun doing this video. If you liked it as well, please let me know and give this video a thumbs up. I would love to know if you would like me to do another one, because this was so much fun and this is such like my style of video. I love fashion videos, so let me know if you want me to do something like this again, or if you have any other type of ideas of things that I could do. But yeah, once again, let me know which outfit you loved the most out of all of these outfits, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come.